Hello class 10, welcome to Science by Learning Lab YouTube class. In this class, I am going to explain details mathematics annual syllabus of class 10 for academic session 2025-26, and this annual syllabus for both standard mathematics students whose subject code is 041 and basic mathematics students whose subject code is 241. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर टुडेज क्लास। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ आपका मैथमेटिक्स सब्जेक्ट में क्या क्या यूनिट्स है एंड यूनिट वाइज वेटेज ऑफ मार्क्स एंड यूनिट वाइज चैप्टर्स एंड हर चैप्टर में क्या क्या आपका टॉपिक है एज पर न्यू इनिशिएटिव बुक्स। सो यूनिट 1 योर नंबर सिस्टम का वेटेज ऑफ मार्क्स 6 है। आपको बोर्ड एग्जाम में 6 मार्क्स मिलेगा नंबर सिस्टम से। एंड चैप्टर 1 ऑफ योर एनसीईआरटी बुक इज कमिंग अंडर नंबर सिस्टम। दैट मीन्स यू विल गेट 6 मार्क्स फ्रॉम वन चैप्टर दैट इज रियल नंबर्स। रियल नंबर्स में आपको पढ़ना है कंसेप्ट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स, द फंडामेंटल थ्योरम ऑफ अरिथमेटिक, HCF and LCM, relation between HCF and LCM, proof of irrationality. These are the topic need to be taught in class 10. Next come to unit 2 algebra. algebra के अंदर आ जाता है 4 चैप्टर। वन इज चैप्टर 2 polynomials, चैप्टर 3 pair of linear equation in 2 variable and quadratic equation, चैप्टर 4 and चैप्टर 5 is arithmetic progression. and आपको algebra में 20 मार्क्स मिलेगा बोर्ड एग्जाम में। weightage of algebra is 20 marks. You will get 20 marks from algebra, and I have divided here chapter wise. Chapter 2 polynomials you will get 4 marks, and chapter 3 pair of linear equation you will get 6 marks. Approximately chapter 4 quadratic equation you will get 5 marks, and chapter 5 arithmetic progression you will get 5 marks. कम टू पॉलिनोमियल। पॉलिनोमियल में आपको क्या पढ़ना है? कंसेप्ट ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स एंड इट्स टाइप्स। ऑलरेडी क्लास 9 में पॉलिनोमियल डिस्कस हो चुका है, तो आपको थोड़ा आगे पढ़ना है। कंसेप्ट ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स का जो इंट्रोडक्शन है वो डिस्कस होगा, उसके साथ साथ टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल। मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज ज्योमेट्रिकल मीनिंग ऑफ the zeros of a polynomial, relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomials. These two topics are most important in class 10. Geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial and relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. You will get 4 marks from this chapter. Now come to chapter 3. You will get 6 marks from chapter 3, pair of linear equation in 2 variable, concept of a pair of linear equation in 2 variable, graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equation, condition for consistent and inconsistent, condition for parallel, intersecting and coincident lines, algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equation. In algebraic method of solving pair of linear equation there are 2 methods. One is substitution method, another one is elimination method, and you will get 6 marks from this chapter 3. Now come to chapter 4. In chapter 4 you will get 5 marks in your board examination, and in chapter 4 आपको पढ़ना है concept of a quadratic equation, solution by factorization, solution by quadratic formula, discriminant and nature of roots. And nature of roots, discriminants are most important in chapter 4. Now come to chapter 5. chapter 5 में आपका आ जाता है concept of arithmetic progression and nth term of an arithmetic progression and sum of nth term of an arithmetic progression. 2 important concept in arithmetic progression of chapter 5, and you will get 5 marks from chapter 5. Total you are getting 20 marks from algebra. Now come to unit 3. Your unit 3 is coordinate geometry. So already we have discussed up to chapter 5. Chapter 1 6 marks and chapter 2 3 4 5 20 marks. Now come to coordinate geometry. You will get 6 marks from coordinate geometry. there is a chapter 7 in NCERT book, which is coming under unit 3 coordinate geometry, and in this chapter concept of a coordinate geometry, distance formula, section formula, two important formulas, distance formula and section formula in coordinate geometry. क्लास 10 में आपको पढ़ना है डिस्टेंस फार्मूला एंड सेक्शन फार्मूला, एंड आपको 6 मार्क मिलेगा कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री से. नेक्स्ट यूनिट 4 ज्योमेट्री. इन ज्योमेट्री you will be getting 15 marks from geometry, and in geometry coming under geometry chapter 6 triangle and chapter 10 circle. दो चैप्टर आ जाता है ज्योमेट्री के अंदर. चैप्टर 6 ट्रायंगल से आपको 9 मार्क्स मिलेगा, एंड चैप्टर 10 सर्कल से आपको 6 मार्क्स मिलेगा. एंड चैप्टर 6 ट्रायंगल में आपको क्या पढ़ना है, सिमिलर फिगर्स पढ़ना है, सिमिलरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल पढ़ना है, हाउ टू मेक two triangle similar, basic proportionality theorem BPT, and converge of BPT, criteria for similarity. There are 4 criteria: angle, similarity criteria, side, and side angle, side. These are the topic need to be discussed in class 10 of chapter 10 triangle chapter, and you are getting more marks from one chapter, that is triangle. You are getting 9 marks from chapter 6. Next is chapter 10, which is coming under geometry. Circle, you will get 6 marks, and tangent to a circle theorem 10.1 and 10.2. There are 2 theorem in circle chapter. You have to practice these 2 theorem, most important theorem of chapter 10, and you will get 6 marks from geometry. So till now you have discussed unit 1, 2, 3, 4. Unit 1 is your number system, that is 6 marks, and unit 2 algebra 20 marks, and unit 3 coordinate geometry 6 marks. Then geometry you are getting 15 marks from unit 4. Now come to unit 5, that is trigonometry, one of the new chapter of class 10, and you are getting 12 marks from trigonometry. There are 2 chapter, one is chapter 8 and chapter 9. Chapter 8 introduction to trigonometry 7 marks, and application of a trigonometry 5 marks. In introduction, concept of a trigonometry will be discussed, trigonometric ratios, T ratio of some specific angle, trigonometric ratio of some specific angle, and trigonometric identities. These are the concept will be discussed in class 10. And in chapter 9, height and distances, angle of elevation, angle of depressions. Chapter 9 and chapter 8, both chapter you are getting 12 marks from this trigonometry. Next unit is unit 6, that is mensuration. Under mensurations you will get chapter 11 and chapter 12. Chapter 11 area related to circle 5 marks, and chapter 12 surface area and volume, that is also 5 marks. Total 10 marks you are getting in mensurations. And concept of sector, segment, arc of sector and segment, perimeter of a sector and segment, length of arc. And here one restriction is there, whatever problem will be solved, that problem should be restricted to central angle 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree only. Means whatever problem we will solve, that is based on 60 degree central angle, 90 degree and 120 degree. And these are the coming under area related to circles. And next is surface area and volume. In surface area and volume, surface area and volume of cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, all these concepts will be discussed in class 10. Surface area of a combination of a solids like a cylinder with a hemisphere or cone with hemisphere, combination of a solids, volume of combination of a solids. These are 2 new concepts will be discussed in class 10, because already we have studied surface area of a volume, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere in class 9. So both area related to circle and surface area and volume, 5 plus 5 10 marks from mensurations. Next you come to your unit 7 statistics and probability. From statistics and probability you are getting 11 marks. From statistics and probability there are two chapter 13 statistics you will get 7 marks, and chapter 14 probability you will get 4 marks. In chapter 13 mean of group data, direct method, assumed mean method, step deviation method, mode of a group data, median of a group data will be discussed in class 10. Basic concept of probability, simple problems on finding the probability of an event in probability, and you are getting 4 marks from probability. Total 11 marks you are getting statistics and probability. So these are all about your details syllabus, mathematics syllabus of class 10. According to syllabus you will get regular classes from Science by Learning Lab. Next video you will get chapter 1 real numbers, concept of real numbers, and the fundamental theorem of arithmetics. So we connect with us and get regular video of mathematics class 10. Thank you.